Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is another makeup tutorial. I thought I would do something a little bit more warm, a little bit more neutral kind of colours. It is summer. It's not summer actually, is it? It's spring. When does summer start? So I thought I would go for like a more warm look because it is super warm in the UK at the minute. Okay, it's actually been quite cold today. But we're approaching the sunshine. Like, it was super hot on the weekend. I was burning up a crisp, factor 50 all the way, so you know I am inspired by the sunshine. And yeah, this is what I sort of came up with, I guess. If you'd like to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, please let me know down below. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. I appreciate it very much. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to go into the Morphe 3502 palette. This is the second one they came out with, and I'm going to start by going into this burgundy shade. I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can. And this shade is actually called, Chestnut. So I'm going to go into the shade Chestnut, and I'm just going to start packing that colour onto the crease, taking it quite high. And then I'm going to go into the orangey shade. Can you see that? This is in the shade Ablaze, and I'm going to use this to blend out that red shade. And then I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go into the yellow shade from this palette and also just blend that above the crease. And then I'm just going to take the darker burgundy shade. This one is in the shade Brave. And I'm just going to start deepening up that crease a little bit more. And then I'm just going to take some concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer, Conceal and Define, and I'm going to use this to cut out my crease. I'm then going to go back into that Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to go back into that yellow shade, and I'm just going to put this on the majority of my lid, taking it about halfway. Oh my god, I can hear wasps outside the door. That's the problem with the summer. Wasps. I'm going to go back in with this orange shade here, and I'm just going to put this on the rest of the cut crease. And then I'm going to go back into them burgundy shades that we first went in with and just blend them into that orange. And then I'm going to take the Collection Gel Eyeliner and I'm just going to draw a small wing. feel like I just called this a small wing and it's not really a small wing, is it? Let's be honest. But it was smaller than some other ones I've done, so it counts. I'm then going to take the NYX Glam Liner. This is in the colour 24 Carat, and I'm just going to basically do what I've done here. I'm just going to line the eyeliner and take it halfway across the cut crease as well. I am going to add glitter as well, just because I'm not a massive fan of this colour, but this is just so I can see like the line like precisely. And then as you can see, I just think that gold is like a little bit too yellowy, so I did just want to make it like slightly more champagne. So I've just taken the pigment, the Wish pigment by Peaches and Cream, and then the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to sort of make a mixture. So I'm going to mix that pigment with the glitter glue and make like a sort of eyeliner and just go over that NYX liner with my like specially made one. Obviously you don't have to do both steps, this is just what I did, so. And then I'm just going to take some mascara and apply a few coats to my lashes. And then I'm going to take the Olivia Belle lashes in the style Sassy and glue these to my lids, if I can get them out. Okay, so now that my lashes are on nicely, I'm just going to go onto the lower lash line. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the Olivia Belle white gel eyeliner and I'm just going to run this along the waterline. And then I'm going to go into them shades from the Morphe palette, just taking them burgundy shades that we used earlier and just sort of press that onto my lower lash line as close as I can get to like the waterline, because I don't want that white to look too harsh. And then I'm going to go back into that orange shade from that Morphe palette, which was called Ablaze, and I'm just going to use this to buff out that red shade really lightly, but keeping it quite smoky. And then going back into that Electric Obsessions palette and taking that yellow shade, just so it all matches the top and looks all nice and cohesive, like so. And then of course finishing off with some mascara. And I'm just getting as close as I can to the root of the lashes, just because I don't want them to be white at all. And then I'm just going to go finish this look off camera, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please again let me know down below what you thought of it. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. I will not keep you a long time like I normally do. So thank you once again, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.